So to access Alludo, simply log in to PowerSchool as if you're going to take attendance. Find digital text and resources on the left-hand side. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to Assemble. And the first time you log in, it'll ask you to connect it to Google. Make sure you log in with your district Google account. This box will appear and it'll say join, and you want to hit join. All right. Then you can click continue. Once you log in, you'll see these 12 tiles. You can also see them as a list by clicking list. I like the tile cards. And then you can click on any one of those, like let's say suit up with instructional tools. Right? And inside of that, you'll find several missions. So you can click a mission like Nearpod, let's say, and then there are several activities to do in Nearpod. Right? So you will have hours and hours of potential learning available to you at your fingertips.